if you want to install iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we can go to the Play Store and we're gonna search over here. We're gonna simply type iOS launcher. Of course, there are multiple different launchers that we can use. We can try it out. I'm gonna use actually this one in this video, so I'm gonna show you how to set this one up. If you feel like using anything else, then of course feel free to do so. Now in this case, this launcher is completely free. It also has some ads, of course, but at least it is free, so and not too bad. So first over here, we can simply press consent, and let's wait for the app to be loaded. Of course, we have our ad, and then if you close the ad, you should be able to choose the preferred language. So I'm gonna choose English and then press continue. Then let's go and press next and get started. We can also change our wallpaper to resemble the one that we have on iOS devices. I'm gonna actually skip this one by pressing skip in the top right corner. Then we have the offer to use the premium version. However, we can press continue with free version. And of course another ad. So let's close it. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and soon after that we should be able to have our iOS launcher. There we go. We can tap on screen and we can immediately set this launcher as the default one. If you want to use it all the time, I'm gonna actually skip this, and you can still set it up later. Over here we have this warning message that in order to access all features of this launcher, we need to set it as the default app. So I'm just gonna ignore that. And there also are blur effect issues, which are not working since Android 13. So we can just press don't ask again. And there we go. We have some instructions over here. As you can see, here is our iOS launcher. We can find the app library here as well. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.